How long do you think you could wheel around this whole
I
track?
could wheelie around the whole track. Bro.
2 miles.
What?
He said
I
he can
can
wheelie
wheelie the
around
whole
the whole
track.
track. 2 miles.
2 mile wheelie.
Just sitting, try.
All right. You just couldn't make it around
Yes,
the
I
whole track.
would. I would be going fast.
Yeah.
If I wasn't scared to blow my front wheel out, I'd do it.